guys, today I want to show you about how to make potato ring. First, the ingredients. We need boiled potato, maizena, cheese, snack ring, pepper, and sauce. Let's do the step by step. First, mash the potatoes using a spoon, fork or blender. Add cheese, maizena, pepper and salt. Then stir them until smooth. Shape potatoes like donuts. Dip the potato in a flour solution and dip it again in the crushed snack ring. Fry the potatoes until they are golden. And potato ring can be served with sauce. So that it is guys my vlog today. I hope you enjoy it. It's what I do. So sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Don't forget to click on the ring button so you will not miss the notification when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.